Travel all across Pinkcross County? Buy the Cross Go card for over €20 and 99 cents for a price. Pinkcross County Public Transit.
This is an important message from TV Pinkcross, Part World Regional Network Superstation. That newer virus outbreak was revealed in Los Hermanos Hospital in the suburbs of Los Hermanos, and the first case was a man that age of 40-year-old that is originated from Martinique. The name of the virus was still unknown, but now. We will be right back for any minutes till the case might increase. And now back to the program.
Bienvenue dans nos aéroports. Groupe ADP, des horizons à partager.
WRN présente Arnigel. Une bosse, Arnigel. Un coup, Arnigel. Un bleu, Arnigel. Arnigel, tous les bienfaits de l'arnica. Angèle. Des 1 an, médicaments homéopathiques des laboratoires WRN. WRN.
Urgo présente...
Ouh la malheureuse! Urgo a encore innové avec SOS coupure. On tire la bande, on enroule, on pince pour couper, et ça tient tout seul. Révolutionnaire! Et on reprend son...
This is emergency message from every World Regional Network Superstation transmitters from Surmen City to Pinkcross City. This morning at 8:20, that unknown virus case had increased to 378,561 case. That's a half of the population of Guadeloupe Island. But according to the World Health Organization, the unknown viruses, which is by the name of plagismo virus, or Plagus 24. The Surmenese government had to close its borders and stop all flight and boat controls as the country is now under the lockdown. Please stay safe at home, but if you want to going outside, the mask is mandatory to use. And now back to the normal programming. Stay safe and stay alive.